Video I'm going to show you Airdrop Testnet relax task. Very simple. Your grandfather can do it. Just copy this link and paste on where you have your MetaMask. Okay, your Twitter, your all sort of thing. So just paste on those browser where you want to accomplish this every task, web3 task. Okay, so here is I'm going to walk through to you interglax task. Okay, so if you noticed our time that I'm covering this video in the 12:11, so it is pretty much insane for me because it's sleep time now and I'm doing great in this video. Anyhow, so here is we are in Sonic testnet Odyssey. Their entire Glax task is showing up here. So A to J they provided here. Follow Sonic EVM on Twitter. First you need to connect your wallet here. So what you need to do is complete each of those tasks that they provided, and end of the month, end of the season, of the end of the testnet, you'll get from something from this airdrop. Okay, so pretty much straightforward, nothing complicated. Okay, so what you need to do is click on this login first. If you don't have account yet, if you are you are slightly old and you did before some airdrop, and just do login, or if you don't have to login by your MetaMask, and it will be automatically curated. Just you need to connect your Twitter and Discord, and that's it. So Glax is the Quest platform. Okay, it's a hostinger, so where crypto company is provide their Quest, their some of the marketing terms like engaging with their community, their audience, like doing like follow, and therefore they give something, they do some reward to people in order to happy their customer. Okay, happy their audience, and that's it. So Glax is the Quest hostinger platform, and here what we need to do is it's a middleman. Your crypto company provided this Sonic, they provided into here their task, and you need to complete inside of this Glax. Okay, so first you need to log in, and each of this task, click on this more button, and entire task will be pop up. So first you need to do it this on. After done this task, move into number 2. So each of this task has more button here because we are just inside of Glax. There is a lot of task available, but we are specifically for Sonic airdrop now. Okay, so here is Sonic profile of Glax. So after doing the number 1, do this. It's take a little bit time. Okay, 30-40 minutes will take. And after doing that, number 3, this is the simple task, the one task. And number 4, simple task, straightforward. Number 5, one task. Number 6, invite users, refer, and that's it. So this is the video about airdrop. See you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting.